Hey there! Welcome to your first step towards an exciting journey in the world of coding. Thinking about starting a career in coding but not sure where to begin? You're not alone. Many people feel overwhelmed at the start, but don't worry, it's completely normal. Let me tell you a little secret. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and that step is learning Python. Python is the perfect place to start. Why? Because it's simple, powerful, and honestly, kind of fun. It's designed to be easy to read and write, which makes it a great choice for beginners. Python is like the Swiss Army knife of programming. It's versatile and can be used for almost anything you can think of. Whether you want to build websites, analyze data, create AI tools, or even automate boring tasks, it's used by companies like Google, NASA, and Netflix, so you know it's legit. Python has your back. Start with the basics, things like variables, loops, and functions. Don't overcomplicate it. Focus on understanding the core concepts first. Once you have a solid foundation, everything else will start to make sense. Resources like FreeCodeCamp and YouTube are free, beginner-friendly, and honestly, kinda addictive. These platforms offer structured courses and tutorials that can guide you step by step. The best way to learn is by building. Try making small projects like a budget tracker or a quiz game. These projects will help you apply what you've learned and give you a sense of accomplishment. They're a lot of fun to create. Trust me, nothing beats that, yes, it works, feeling. It's a moment of triumph that makes all the effort worth it. Coding isn't a solo journey. Join Python communities online, Discord, Reddit, or even local meetups. These communities are filled with people who are eager to help and share their knowledge. Join Python communities online, Discord, Reddit, or even local meetups. You'll find people to learn from, share your wins with, and yes, swap memes. These communities can be a great source of motivation and support. Once you've got a few projects under your belt, showcase them on GitHub or a personal portfolio. This will help you build a professional presence online. Potential employers and collaborators can see your work and get a sense of your skills. Apply for internships, freelance gigs, or even remote junior roles. Python skills are crazy in demand, and there are plenty of opportunities out there for beginners. The cool thing about Python, there's always more to learn. As you grow more comfortable with the basics, you can start exploring more advanced topics. This could be anything from data science to web development to artificial intelligence. There's always more to learn. After nailing the basics, explore areas like data science, AI, or web frameworks like Django. These fields are not only fascinating but also highly lucrative. Career can grow as you do. The more skills you acquire, the more opportunities will open up for you. Starting can feel scary, but remember, every Python pro was once a beginner. Everyone starts somewhere, and the important thing is to keep moving forward. Starting can feel scary, but remember, every Python pro was once a beginner. Take it one line at a time, and before you know it, you'll be coding like a boss. Future self is cheering you on. Imagine looking back and seeing how far you've come. So grab your laptop, fire up Python, and start coding your way to success. Let's do this. The world of coding is waiting for you, and Python is your gateway. Embrace the journey, and happy coding.